Today, pupunta kami sa Camp Holiday para serbisyuhan ng isang birthday celebrant. Samahan nyo kami.
Wow. Wow.
Oh my God! Wow! Oh, ang hirap ng pamalakpakin, guys. Anong nangyayari? Ganito ba talaga nagkasaman? Hello! Masaya ba kayo? You have energy. But of course, right now, there's a saying goes that I'm not a girl, not yet a woman, so with our birthday celebrator, Prenzie. But right now, ladies and gentlemen, I know that you are all excited to see our birthday celebrator here in front. But before we're going to do that, ladies and gentlemen, with much pleasure, I'd like to welcome you all over tonight's celebration, and let's welcome the very supportive and loving mommy of Prenzie, Mommy Lizelle Collins, together with our escorts, Mr. Randy Bandibas and Queen Bognos. that, guys. Come on. We stand as we welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Without much further ado, let's give a round of applause to our birthday celebrator, Prenzie. And there is indeed a single that is not a girl, not yet a woman, ladies and gentlemen, Prenzie! Let's give a round of applause once again. Maraming salamat for the love and support and to the family. Please be seated. Pwede na po tayo welcome to the rest of the guests. Please be seated. But our beautiful Davao, can you please join me here on stage? Ayan, tabihan mo ako dito, Prenzie. Once again, happy birthday! Meron akong tanong, no? We've been preparing this for quite a while, no? But I want to know your thoughts. How does it feel seeing your friends, your loved ones that are here today to celebrate your legality? Ano ang nararamdaman, Prenzie?
At the same time, kulba, tapos happy. Kaya, nag-attend lang sila, so dili ko maglaro sila ng. I'm happy.
And we are also happy seeing you happy right now. Ayun, at maliwanag na din. Alright, thank you so much. But right now, Prenzie, I know that you are all excited to have your party, but at this point, we have 5 18s to be celebrated. We have the 18 candles, the 18 treasures, the 18 roses, the 18 views, and the most important thing, the 18 shots.
Nice.
And it feels like I've been rescued. I've been set free. I've been hypnotized by the destiny. You are magical, you're beautiful. You are. Feel like a love song, baby. I feel like a love song, baby. I love you like a love song, baby. And I keep beating, beat.
Nice.